Okay, WOD number 3, final workout of the day is an 8-minute AMRAP. It's very much gymnastics based, or that's where the focus is. So for the heroes, we've got 5 bar muscle ups, 10 handstand push-ups, 15 American kettlebell swings, so that's all the way overhead, and then 15 and 12 cows on the rower for boys and girls respectively. Okay, so I'll just go through the bar muscle up. So making sure that we start with the arms extended at the bottom, getting up and over the bar and getting that lockout at the top, okay, before we come back down again. Some of the scaled options are chest to bar and pull-ups. So chest to bar, we need the bar to make contact under the collarbone. And for pull-ups, we just need that chin over the bar. And again, for both of those reps, or for all of the reps, we need the arms straight at the bottom. Okay, for WOD 3 guys, soldiers are going to be doing ring rows instead of chest to bars, pull-ups or bar muscle ups. So there's going to be chalk line on the ground. Your heels must be inside that chalk line. The rings are going to be set up to 1 meter height, so that'll be the same height for everyone. So you're going to have your heels in the chalk line. So going all the way back so that arms are extended, and then pulling the chest back up to the ribs. For the handstand push-ups for the heroes, we'll have mats down, but you don't have to use a mat. You can just go off the rubber floor if you want, your choice. Okay, but the handstand will start in the extended position, so arms are locked out, and then when you go down and back up, that's your first rep. So you can go strict or kip. Arms locked out, head makes contact with the floor, arms locked out, so that's strict. And kipping. Okay, if you're not doing handstand push-ups, then you may be doing deficit push-ups. So it's going to be hands on a pair of blocks, like so, chest all the way to the deck, hands come up, so they're going to be hand release. What we don't want to see is that worming technique where we leave the hips behind and then bring them up after. So I'd like to see everything coming up together. Cool. Okay, for our soldiers, those of you who aren't doing the handstand push-ups or deficit push-ups, you're going to be doing push-ups on the box. So it'll be hands on the edge of the box, nice straight line through the body, and we want to make contact between the sternum and the collarbone. So legs are straight, midline is locked in. Lock out at the top. Okay, boys and girls, for the kettlebell swing, we're doing American kettlebell swing, so that means all the way overhead. Here's what I want it to look like. So arms are locked out at the top, and the kettlebell is upside down, so the bottom of the kettlebell is facing the ceiling, and it's just an extension of your arms. What I don't want to see is this, where the elbows are bent and the bottom of the kettlebell is facing out. All right, they're going to be no reps. Now, I know we're dealing with old dogs, masters, so if anyone's got issues with their elbow or shoulders and they physically can't get that lockout, I want you to let me or Chris know, or my head judges, and also your own judge, all right, just so that we can take that into account when we're looking at your reps. Cool.